Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up Gusto to pay yourself as a realtor. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are just getting started with Gusto, but even so, they want to know how to actually set up payroll. So if you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, use my link down below, and once you actually set up your first payroll, you'll actually be sent a $100 Visa gift card once that first payroll is actually activated. But once you click on the link down below, your screen is going to look like this right here. So simply on the upper right hand side, click on create an account or click it over here. The next page is going to look like this here. So you simply just need to enter your first name, last name, work email, company name, the number of employees, and set up your password. Next, it's going to ask you to create your company profile. So who is your company planning to pay with Gusto? So maybe in this case, it's just yourself for now. The next prompt is, how does your company currently run payroll? We're new to running payroll. Is your company registered as an employer with the IRS? So yes or no. Next, do you have a company bank account? Yes or no. In which states do you work? So input the state that you work in here. Next, it's going to ask you, do you have an accountant or bookkeeper helping your business? So yes or no. Now, what industry are you in? So you're simply just going to select the industry that closely matches yours. So maybe you want to input here real estate, for example. Is your company a cannabis related business? So yes or no. Does anyone in your company need to track hours worked or create hourly schedules? Yes or no. And the last prompt is, what's your desired first payday with Gusto? So you can input an estimated date here. In my case, my company pays on the 21st of every month, but you can change this later though, okay? So it doesn't have to be the exact, just input a date and then click on continue. Now, once you click on continue, you're gonna be recommended a package here. So this is the package that I use, which is called the Simple Plan, and it's going to allow you to run unlimited payrolls in one state. At the end of every year, you'll also get W-2s and 1099s for tax purposes. You also get some basic insights and reporting, and you also get basic support. So in my case, I've contacted Gusto before and they've been phenomenal, even though I only was on the Simple Plan. So click on confirm and setup. Now, once you do that, there's going to be potentially 3 more things that you need to do. The first thing that you need to do is set up your payroll timeline. So under pay and then click on run payroll, you need to click on continue under where it says add payroll details. Once you do that, you're just going to set up your addresses, set up your federal tax info, set up your filing address, set up your business bank account, set up your pay schedule, and then set up your signatory. Once your timeline is filled out, you're going to go back under pay, under run payroll. It's going to say create your own profile. Click on continue because this is where we're going to create an employee profile on Gusto. So this is what that page is going to look like. So you're just going to input some basic information here. Then down over here is where you're going to input the compensation. So the job title, employee type, amount per year. And then, do you have a special tax exemption status? Yes or no. Save and continue. And again, more personal details here. And then input your home address, etc. Set up your tax elections and then payment. Now, if we go back to that same page, you should have filled out your payroll details. You should have filled out an employee profile. Now, depending on what state that you're in, you're going to need to share state tax details. So simply click on let's do it. So once you have all those prompts filled out, that is essentially how you set up Gusto to pay yourself as a realtor. If you guys haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, again, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you do run your first payroll on Gusto, you'll actually get a $100 Visa gift card, which is basically free money. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.